Hi, welcome to my Growing Tomatoes for Beginners series Part 2. In Part 1, we discussed which variety of tomato to choose. Today, I will give you 3 tips on choosing tomato starts. Number 1, make sure it's disease-free, free of pests or pest damage. My second tip would be, if you find a start that has multiple plants in the same container, you can separate those and get more plants for the price of one. More bang for your buck. My third tip would be, if you find flowers on a tomato start, this could be a sign of stress. It doesn't mean you're getting a head start for the season. When you transplant it, you will need to cut those flowers off so the plant can focus on building its roots before it grows. If you found these tips useful, click like and subscribe so you don't miss any future content. If you want to know which varieties of tomato to choose, I will leave a link in the description box for part 1 of this series. See you next time.